Hey guys, Aaron here, back in the garage. Today we're gonna do a really quick cabin filter change on this BMW E46. Super easy, you don't even need any tools. So it's gonna be one of the first projects on this car that we are giving away with Rio Toro, and ECS Tuning sent me a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna be doing an inspection too, so we'll be doing lots of maintenance on this. This is one of the pieces that came in the kit. I'll put a link to this filter and the entire kit. If you need a lot of work done on your car, you can just knock that out and follow along with my tutorials. The cabin filter is very easy to reach. It's right under your hood, under this little graying, supposed to be black plastic panel. To remove it, there are just 3 clips that you're gonna turn 90 degrees and they will pop up on these nice little springs, and you just lift up. If yours is very old like mine and full of leaves and nastiness, you might have to separate it a little bit from here. So that's how long it's been since this has been opened. So wow, yeah, I think it's time to clean this up. So the filter itself is just in by friction. It's kind of held from going forward by this spot right here, so you can just lift up and pull out. Oh, this is nasty. So if your cabin filter looks anything like this, definitely time for a new one. I don't want to know what's growing in this thing. It's so nasty in here, I'm gonna start with a shop vac. Then I'll switch over to a damp cloth. All right, we've come a long way now. I'm actually getting a parts washer for the garage soon, but in the meantime, we can just use a sink, clean this off. Nasty. While you're in here, you're gonna want to inspect your drains. There's one on each side. It's actually a little rubber grommet thing that I think you're supposed to be able to pull out. So let me try to remove this. Yes. So it just goes in like this. This goes towards your windshield to catch leaves and debris and stuff. And there's a little flap here that opens to let the water through. So back to the sink to clean these up. So now we can take our nice, pretty filter. This Hengst one is multicolored. I noticed when I took the other one off that the top of it had these little tabs on it. So there's a couple little tabs that are on the top that are not on the bottom. So for this one, the blue side is face up, and you just essentially set the edges on the tracks, slide it right into place. So on the sides, there are these little tabs that go down into that groove to kind of keep them from moving around. So just get both sides seated in there. And finally, take our newly cleaned cover, slide this back on the top. And then of course these will line up with the hole, twist, turn another 90 degrees to lock them back into place. Might have to shift it around a little bit to get it to line up. And that's all there is. You have clean cabin air flowing through your car now. So thanks for watching, guys. If you didn't know, Rio Toro is giving this car away. I'm gonna be doing some maintenance on it, making some DIY videos for you guys. And then when it's all fixed up, one of my subscribers is going to win. So please check out the description for a link on how you can sign up to win this car. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.